Hi guys, welcome to my vlog today. So we're going to two locations. So we're going to the Fiddle, and then from there we'll go to the restaurant to chill and relax. So enjoy this vlog.
A few moments later.
Good morning guys. So it's morning over here and I'm getting prepared for my swimming day at YMCA. So my friends and I decided that we haven't gone anywhere since this summer, so we wanted to go to swim and then also have fun. So join us today for a film field day of swimming, friends and fun. Bye. So we're heading out to the bus stop now.